Hello, I'm Jake, Sales Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the series TE-EN Wall Mount Temperature Sensor. Dwyer's accurate and economical TE-EN can be utilized to monitor ambient temperature in applications such as building automation, office buildings, and hotel rooms. The series TE-EN provides low-cost temperature measurement, and the North American and European housing options allow for seamless integration into any building management system. These temperature sensors utilize a stylish wall-mounted polycarbonate enclosure, which is well vented to provide airflow across the sensor, ensuring the unit's accuracy. The housing style also matches Dwyer humidity or carbon dioxide wall-mount devices, allowing for a clean and uniform look in a project space. A wide selection of passive RTD or thermistor temperature sensors is available to match the input specifications of most control manufacturers. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.